This video is going to show you how to do a motion diagram, and it's example number 4. Okay, here's the car. It's going to go from the screen from right to left, and 3 questions I'm going to answer. I'm going to draw a motion diagram for the movement. I'm going to draw a velocity versus time graph for the motion, and describe the motion in words. So we're all set. We've got 7 seconds of information there on the screen. And if I begin, I can see where it paused in the beginning, and then it began to move to the left, or in the negative direction. Then I'll connect it with arrows. There are no arrows in the vertical column because there's no motion. And that's my motion diagram right there. Now to draw the graph, draw velocity versus time graph. Starts off at 0, and what it does is it stays at 0 at rest for 3 ticks of time, and then it moving faster and faster in the negative direction. So if it's moving faster and faster in the negative direction, it's going to be a negative acceleration, because acceleration is a change in velocity, and if I'm going to add a negative velocity, that means a negative change in velocity, which means a negative acceleration. Okay, so it's a negative acceleration. Negative acceleration on a velocity versus time graph is a negative slope. So I'm going to draw a line with a negative slope. I don't know how much of a slope it is. I'm just kind of estimating that. And I can also tell in the beginning it's about 3 ticks of time, and then the acceleration is about 4 ticks of time, so it's a little bit longer. And finally, to describe this in words, the car is at rest for 3 ticks of time and then accelerates in the negative direction for 4 ticks of time. And a tick of time in this case is a second, but it could be a minute, it could be an hour, it could be anything.